Kaselelie, Rananim, Lenwo, Mogetin, and Ola. I am Carmen G. Cantor, the U.S. Ambassador to the Federated States of Micronesia. Today, I am pleased to present to you a short play performed by the Pohnpei Girl Scouts. The play is inspired by the book Barbaroo the Alien Learns About Bullying, written by Kate Melton. The Girl Scouts have dramatized an important issue: bullying. Bullying does not have one agreed upon definition, but generally it is the repetitive, intentional hurting of one person or group by another person or group. It can happen face-to-face or online. Unfortunately, it happens all too often to people of all ages. The first step in addressing bullying is to begin a discussion about it. I encourage all of you to watch the video and comment below on any actions you think you, other individuals, schools, or government could take to stop bullying. Thank you.
It's a gloomy morning on the gray planet. Looking at the yellow rain outside, Barbaroo the alien is feeling bored. Barbaroo rushes to Earth at full speed. Barbaroo's tricycle lands in a forest where a little fox and a skunk are playing there. Barbaroo's excited to make new friends.
Hi, I'm Barbaroo. Can I play with you? Baba, who? I'm Barbaroo the Alien. I came from another planet. What's up with your odd accent? I'm sorry, I just want to be friends with you. Friends? Have you seen your ears? They're different and weird. Let's go find another place to play. Nobody likes me. Why are they laughing at me? Am I worthless?
A snail has been watching and wants to help the little alien.
Don't blame yourself. You're smart, cute, and so fluffy. Let me help you, please.
The snail uses its tail to write some rules in a stone.
If you ever get bullied, you should never get offended, blush and hide your face, cry, fight or argue, or bully the bullies back. What should I do? You have two choices. The first choice is to not pay any attention to the bullies. Simply ignore them. The second choice is to be witty. Smile, laugh, and even yawn. No matter what you do, be confident, calm, and cool as a cucumber. Now let's go meet some of my friends. Hi everyone, this is my new friend. She comes from another planet.
Wow, an alien. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Barbaroo. In my language, it means kind. My accent might sound a bit weird to you. That's because I've learned all the languages spoken across your planet. I mix up some words sometimes, but I hope we will understand each other.
Wow, that's incredible. You have the most awesome ears I've ever seen.
Oh, my springy ears help me to talk to my mommy from any planet. Plus, I can even pick up TV signals.
Holy moly, that's incredible. Show us something else that you can do.
I think I can do another trick, but it only works when my good friends support me. I'll try.
Skyda.
Can I read my card?
Yep.
There's bubbles.
Okay, Soon, the fox and skunk return looking guilty. They hang their heads low.
We're sorry for being mean to you, Barbaroo. Can we play with you all? Of course! Cucumber party!
Pop. What fun! After a long day of playing with lots of new friends, Barbaroo feels very happy. But she's tired, and it's time to go home to her great planet. Today, Barbaroo learned an important lesson about not believing mean things that bullies say. Instead, Barbaroo made friends with animals who were kind, and she even treated the bullies with kindness too.